I'm Ricky here with another Unplug vlog. Today I'm gonna unplug the router again and see my grandma's reaction. Let's do this.
Hurry, call now. What are you doing?
Unplugging the router. What?
Once you unplug it, you gotta wait 30 seconds before you plug it back in.
You do?
You have to wait, yeah, you just can't pull it out and put it back in. You have to wait.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you do.
I need some light over here. Let me borrow your,
I'll do it. Just get yourself
It's fine, I'll do it.
Brett and Martha are live in DC.
I don't have to wait 30
Friday on the Fox News Channel.
I guess I'll
put
just...
the plugs right in the back and right into the
Who's
correct hole.
videoing you?
I don't care. Video all he wants. Are you putting
What's stupid? What's stupid on? Your phone's stupid. How about that?
Get the hell out of here. Get out. I don't care. Get out.
That's what he does. That's exactly what he does. Exactly. It's exactly what he does. Every time I go down there, guys, that's exactly what he does. Exactly. That's exactly what the hell he does. He does bullshit over and over and over again. It's bullshit. Totally. I'll see you guys later. Peace.